Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And what's in my kit? Little bit of a stretch, but it is definitely an essential in my kit. It is lace. So I know there are tons of different lace on the market. I understand. You can get them anywhere. Some are real, some are fake, some are plastic, some are not plastic, some are material, but these are the three that I use. So I'm gonna just show you them because that's what's in my kit. So the first one I use is French lace. It is a lot thicker. You can use this for the back. It is still very invisible, as you can see, and it has a larger hole pattern, which I know you might not be able to see on that. So it is still very, very nice, and it does smooth in. You can use it for theater fronts. You can use it for hole patches. It is a lot durable. It's a lot stronger. So this is one of the laces that I use. Next up is my opera lace, which is a lot thinner, a lot more delicate. And this is what we use for fronts, for full laces, for partings. This is beautiful lace. And it literally can vanish into the skin and you can really tell it's quite pretty. And then my favorite, but the most pain in my tuchus that I've ever used, is my HD lace. So, as you can tell, it is literally the thinnest, the finest ever. With a little dab of glue, you might not even need glue. That's how good this lace is. So it is HD lace. It is the most finest, thinnest it can rip. It rips, it shreds. Look at the holes just from like practicing. So please know, don't start on this lace. Start on any lace. I don't even care if it's chicken cloth or chicken wire. Just start on some other lace and then build up to this. If you start here, you will want to cry, and I don't want you to cry. But you can get your own kit. If you go to danielkoyeeducation.com, you will get lace, you will get everything you need in your kit.